welcome back to my channel, Candy's Hair Diary. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning sub, what's up, y'all? Y'all know what it is. This is my final review on this hair. These are the 12-inch River Locks, and I've had these in for about a month now. I could stretch this for another week or two, but I'm ready for something different. So just want to go ahead. I know I gave you guys my initial review on this hair. I didn't really feel it film and install because I have so many different installs already filmed and uploaded. So if you would like to actually see that process, go ahead and check out my channel. There are plenty of videos on there with me actually installing any type of crochet hair. So and you'll be able to see the braid pattern that I use. I'll still link all that stuff below as well. But yeah, so my final review of this hair is like I thought. It is super low maintenance. I really didn't have to do anything to it. Did I wash my hair? I did not. No, I did not. I'm gonna be real honest with you. It's just been cold, and to go around with a wet head, because if I was going to wash it, I was going to actually sit under the dryer so that the hair underneath can actually dry. I don't want to be out in the cold with a wet head, and then you get sick, and that's a whole nother situation. So yes, so my final review on this hair has been pretty good. It's very low maintenance, little to no maintenance. I usually wear it up in a bun for the most part because it's just easy to get out my face. But as y'all can see, it still looks pretty good for it being a month. Probably a month and a couple of days. Yeah, so you can actually easily kind of stretch this out if you want to wash your hair and do something to your edges. I probably lay them baby hairs down, but I didn't worry about laying them down because this hair is about to come out. I don't know if it's gonna come out right now, maybe in a couple of days, because this is a little tight and I got a whole lot to do. But yeah, so I would definitely give this hair a thumbs up. I do like this length. It's very manageable. It still makes for a super cute ponytail, and it makes for a really good bun as well. So I would definitely I do like this length. It was very manageable. So yeah, that's pretty much all I got for you guys, and I hope you guys had a fantastic happy new year, all that jazz. Let's make 2024 something amazing. And as always, I appreciate you guys for tuning in, and I will catch y'all on the next Candy's Hair Diary video. Peace.